Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our carbon fiber light gauge spoiler for the Can-Am Ryker. If you own a Can-Am Ryker and you're not planning on adding a windshield, but you'd still like to deflect wind, then our plastic gauge spoiler may be a great cost-effective alternative for you. Our gauge spoiler is constructed from a durable ABS plastic and features a stylish carbon fiber-like pattern for a super sporty look once installed. Now this gauge spoiler installs in minutes by inserting the plastic clips on the spoiler into the two holes on each side of your factory gauge cluster. So to install, start by carefully pulling apart the two lower clips and inserting them into the two bottom holes on your gauge cluster. Then simply pivot the top back until you feel the two top holes click into place. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if adding a stylish carbon fiber pattern gauge spoiler to your Can-Am Ryker is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time.